Let's see how many edible plants are growing on my street. This is a stand of macadamia trees down the end of my street. Let's see if we can find any of the nuts. Oh, here's one. Oh, it just came right off. Look at that. So there's a macadamia nut in its shell. See, there's other ones on the ground here. There we've got some bamboo. Of course, you can eat the shoots of bamboo. In here, there's a persimmon tree. Although I did forage one of those once and it was disgusting. So I don't know whether it was just wrong. It wasn't ripe enough. It seemed ripe, but the astringency was ugh. Here we have dragon fruit. See these? That is a dragon fruit plant that's just grown up through this tree. Here we have a mulberry tree. It's the middle of winter almost, so it's all still its leaves, but come spring it will be full of fruit. Here we have a Monstera deliciosa, which of course makes edible fruit. If you didn't know that, you might just know it as a nice houseplant. And now let's look at my own front garden. I have two native edible Australian plants growing in my front garden, one of which is this, which is a native violet, and the other is over there, which is scurvyweed. Here's the native violet. You can eat those pretty little flowers. And then over here, see the blue flowers? That is scurvyweed, and the whole plant of that is edible. And it's called scurvyweed because the early settlers, the early white settlers to Australia, used it to alleviate their scurvy because it's really high in vitamin C.